You probably shouldn't record this.
That is not safe.
It's keeping the silica
I
out
hear
of...
you, but you know, if you're blind, it's going to be really hard to drive me everywhere.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. Hold on.
But also, honey,
Oh, no?
I might not be an expert, but I really don't think that's the right way to do that. I think you forgot something.
Oh, the rag is...
The rag is not here. You need this.
Oh, what? You got me a new HydroTail?
I did, since you lost the other one.
We should probably go into the shop and install this, though.
Yes, we should.
And we got to get the tank.
The tank. Oh, the tank.
The tank. They'll see. You guys will see.
But also, can we talk about all of these plants that Jake is about to build a wall on? Don't care if you throw this in at the end. My fiddly fig fell over.
Well, then show the mini bike.
Well, I'm not done peeping the yard yet. Look at this chaos. Lincoln's mini bike, Jake's wash sink.
We got to put a bigger motor in it.
My wall's going to be right there. But can we talk about my cactuses that I rescued?
Ooh, what about the mosquito pit you got going on over here?
Shh, don't judge me. And look at this guy's coming back. It's a Florida ghost. Somehow, my plants are still living. It's not for lack of forgetfulness.
I try. All right, we're back in the shop, nice and safe. I've got everything, right? Okay,
Even
not
your
everything.
house shoes.
Not everything. This is a giveaway. 10 spot at the end. At the end.
Because 10 Spot is today's video
Today's
sponsor.
is sponsored by 10 Spot and a little bit from HydroTail, which HydroTail we do sell at shop.JakeOfALL, and all this 10 Spot stuff we have on the website. But that's not the point. What you're going to need, right? You've got yourself any tool that you want to cut and you need to worry about PPE. The PPE is like breathing, right? For something like silica, but you can cut down the amount of dust, almost eliminate it with the HydroTail. You guys are going to wonder what the HydroTail is. So, have you ever seen the really expensive drills and the really expensive angle grinders and the really expensive saws that have water built into it? Boom. This one doesn't. Now it does. Man, I was hoping for like a transition. Okay, whatever. We're going to have to install it ourselves, but it just takes Velcro. But the cool thing was is Pete over at 10 Spot went ahead and made a PACKOUT insert. So let's start with that, honestly, because this is a lot of fun. In fact, tell me you're not organized, but every once in a while, chaos feels amazing, okay? Boom. Now, what do we have? Well, we have a hose reel. That's what this is for. We got a place to wrap your nozzle around, and it goes in a PACKOUT, but it also comes with some really cool 3D printed latches. I hope I'm not covering them. Okay.
We're good.
So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and let's get the HydroTail out so you can see everything that is going on.
How do we lose a bright orange hose in this
I know.
shop?
So this is my second. I lost this. So what's going to happen is, here's a little quick
I'm going
disconnect.
to laugh when we finally find it.
Super awesome. That's interesting. Must have had some leaking. So this is the pressure tank, and this is sort of what makes the system work. Now you can hook this up to a hose, okay? But this pressure tank that HydroTail has, which we actually sell too, basically any like other pressure tank, you know, you've ever seen for weeding, you take this thing, tighten it up, and you're gonna watch, right? Water, right? We can see water.
Mm-hmm. Right onto my floor.
Okay, no, I'm doing it in the trash can. I'm smart. I'm gonna open up the bleed because we don't want this leaking the entire time. Okay, so pressure tank. We sell these at shop.jakeofall.com too. I know this sounds like a sales thing. I'm just letting you know because everyone says, where do I get it? Okay, that aside, right? Pressure, hose or this, latches, insert. So HydroTail has this guy. And if you look, it's this cool, just like the really expensive saws and all the cutters. And this can mount any way you want it, depending on your style. I mean, you could do that, but then you aim it at your bit like that. And then they give you all these different Velcro straps, okay, with this loop in the sense of the hook and loop one, that's just the easy pull. And then you fold it over on itself and you tighten it. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually get this sort of where I think we would want it, right? Because we want to have free use of our hands So I am probably going to have it wrap here because that's out of my hands way. And from a Velcro standpoint, I think this should work, and then we want enough room. So what I'm gonna try here.
So how many water gun fights do you think happen on site?
At HydroTail?
I mean, in general, say you get 3 or 4 people using those. You can't tell me that nobody's ever just gone up and squirted somebody with it during work.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, they better be if they're having any kind of fun, right? I mean,
It seems a little less problematic, like the time somebody absolutely used a skid steer to move the porta-john on location.
oh no. Okay, so wherever you want to mount it, right? I sort of went like this because I have tiny hands anyways. My little tiny hand. Make some mashed potatoes.
I love you so much.
That better be on screen.
Okay now.
You take my strong hand. Okay, here it is. I got it, right? My hand doesn't wrap around here anyway, so it really just thumb up the side. Oh, we're not even going there. Okay, but look, the idea, right, is I'm going to have it right where the dust is going to come out and also sort of in there like that. And then, right? Make sense? Okay. All right, let's put it in the pack. All right, I realized I had to A into B and B. Okay, right?
To math, no maths. We're
Math,
fine.
no maths. Now, I'm going to definitely make a mess in my shop. So here we go. Wait, let me turn off the... Do you need a background?
No, we can see it.
So you can see...
All the water coming out.
Okay, now,
All over my floor.
I want to tell you that we have used these for our fans forever, okay? And this one tank of water will go for over like 2 hours. And pressure-wise, in that 2 hours, we never had to pump it once we pumped it up. Your mileage may vary, right? But you basically, when you buy a HydroTail, you can buy just this setup without the tank. And that's, hey, I want to hook my HydroTail up to a water source, like the house, or I just used that and then I hooked it up to the tank. Crazy thing is, shameless plug, look over there. This tank.
We're going to ignore the big red one and we're going to come over here to this little piece of perfection.
Oh, yeah. This tank will hook using our included whips. And the cool
Just the
thing
tank.
about it is you don't have to permanently modify your thing. It's just stick, peel and stick for the fan. And the same thing for this. It's just Velcro. I was about to do that whole funny thing and be like, slap a sticker on it, I'm done. And then I went, oh yeah, I have latches. So, since latches are so easy to install, you know what? Screwdriver into the groove. Pull. Screwdriver into the groove. Pull. Okay, then we need something to pull the pins out, and we need to pull these guys off, which, if you guys don't know, we do have a quick tip video on these, right?
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere. Aww, I found a punch. That was a double joke. Quick part of the tip that we say on the other one is that if you ever need to put these pins in and they grab too much and you feel like you're going to force it and break it, don't. Get a drill bit, drill the hole out, boom, you're good to go. Put it back on. Now we just have to put the rings on, and we are a full few seconds away from
Another completed pack out.
another completed packout, which means
You can take the sticker off. Hooray.
holding it closed because it's still, and then latching it.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Wait, you know what? You know what? You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. Pretty crooked. But now we have our HydroTail in a nice enclosed pack out. The grinder is back to normal, doesn't have any attachment issues. And we have our tank. This tank can be used for that, can be used for the misters, misting kits, whatever. But the best part about with this insert from Pete is all of them are in one place. It's all organized, and it's OCD organized, but that's what we're here for, right? So simple as that. It's done, and now.
And hey, now when we go looking for your HydroTail,
right? Because
we'll be able to find it.
It's labeled. It says HydroTail, and now let's talk about the other elephant in the room, 10 Spot, which I told you can get it at shop.jakeofall.com. You don't have to go to his website because we have HydroTail stuff. But what 10 Spot has is a connection with us, and we love him. So we're making him the sponsor of this video, okay? And it's just as simple as we always ask. There's a little form in the description, but we'd love for you guys to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and I would like you to comment below my really punny joke about this, okay? I said 2 words when I talked about it. So I'd love for you to go back and figure that out. Go into the comments. You can win a 10 Spot.
Well, I hope somebody in the comments tells me because I have no clue.
Right. Aw. Well, there was part of it. Spoiler. But there's the form, as always, in the description of the video that you have to put your contact information so that we can go ahead and send you cool stuff when you win. Thank you, 10 Spot, for hooking us up with the awesome insert and the latches.
And so which one are we giving away?
This is the soldering one.
And
it's the sidecar. So these, you can mix and match these. You can put them in drawers. As long as you have the deep enough, you can put them in the pack outs. They go in a bunch of various different ways to... Actually, I think this one we determined was one that would work in multiple places, but his original design is that basically you would take a pack out like that and put 2 of these in. That's why you can see it's rounded. Okay, so if you have a standard profile, half width or full width, you can load them up with 4 of these or 2 of these, depending on which one you want. This is the soldering one. You lift it out, and there's storage below. So make sure you hit the description. We'd love you all to share this with your friends. And thank you, HydroTail and 10 Spot, for helping us out with this video. And thank you, OSHA, for all of the great tips on the job site. Well, I'm the Jake of All, and the video's over. So appreciate you all sticking around. Make sure you're subscribed, because next week's video...
She's a doozy.
We're going to do a top 5. That's all I'm going to say. I gotta go.